integrated water treatment for surface finishing customers. To optimize treatment, we segregate wastewater streams. This allows us to optimize treatment by process, reduce treatment time, chemical usage and costs, optimize water recycle and reuse. This example shows 4 distinct segregation steps for optimum results. Segregation into low solids, high solids, spent acid, and spent alkaline. Low solid wastes are sent through a DI system for treatment and recycling. Around 90 to 95% of this wastewater is recycled through our DI system. By reusing this water, the customer achieves both water and disposal cost savings. High solids, spent acid, spent alkaline. High solids and spent concentrates go through a chemical precipitation and filter press systems before discharge. To meet discharge limits, we treat these water streams to remove heavy metals. Dissolved metals and metal salts are reduced to neutral hydroxides. We add coagulants and adjust pH, separating the metal hydroxides from water. This process is fully automated to provide optimum results for each customer's operation. Water flows to a flocculation step where polymers are added to accelerate precipitation of heavier particles. This improves dewatering efficiency. A bulk holding tank allows the particles to settle and clean water to flow to final discharge. Precipitated solids from the clarifier are periodically pumped into the filter press for dewatering. This process removes the water to minimize sludge disposal costs. Sensors are designed to automate chemical consumption, so chemicals are only used when needed. Our TechLink system allows remote monitoring of the entire system. Treated water can be further processed with an RO system to generate high-quality water. With over 4,000 systems installed, we have a complete understanding of surface finishing water treatment needs. Visit our website at MacDermidEnvio.com or call us for more information.